Kitten again. Ouch. Hey. Come back here. Hot. Okay, that's it. Oh my goodness, I'm flying. This looks kinda fun, I guess.
Get that, loser.
That's not funny. That's it. I'm gonna slam you to the ground.
No. Please forgive me.
It's too late now. Sayonara. Oh no. Now, where am I heading to? Rio de Janeiro? That's not where I live. I have to go to Fortaleza. My house is there. Shut up, stupid kitten. I live in Fortaleza, so you're a liar. Ha 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 ha. You are a kitten, lol. Where am I? Is this an abandoned faculty or something? Wait, is that an abandoned McDonald's?
Let's start the implosion. 3, 2, 1, go.
Am I inside the abandoned McDonald's? This looks creepy because there's some music notes inside here. I think kids back in the day would enjoy this restaurant with these music notes, I guess. How dare you not like McDonald's? The food they sell are delicious to me. The Big Mac is so delicious too. That's it. I will put a bomb in this McDonald's, so you probably can get defeated. Even though I like McDonald's, I will do this anyway. What the? How the heck did you survive? Huh, where am I? Wait, this can't be. I'm inside of an abandoned Carrefour. And I also know that this store closed in 2005. Whoa, this place looks huge. Also, there are still some Carrefour remnants here. Hey, excuse me, can you let me in the store?
Sorry, this place is only for workers. This place is having an apartment complex working on, so you can't come in here.
What the heck? That's it, I'm putting a bomb in here, stupid officer.
Hey, how dare you put a bomb in here? That's it.
Ha 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 ha. Get that? Now I'm heading home to Fortaleza, lol.